Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are using the ORS Color Wax in Pinky Swear and Stay Ready. I'm about to put on some gloves and then we are going to start dyeing this hair. I'm going to be doing the pink at the top, and then I'm going to be doing red at the bottom, and I'm just layering it on like it's a perm. So my thought process was the more I put on, the more vibrant the color would be, which was definitely true, but there is some things that I didn't take in consideration when layering this product on, and we definitely going to get into that later in the video. So I am just going to apply this product, and then I will be back once we have the color fully applied. Okay, so now we're going to start putting these flexi rods in, and I really love this method that I used to put the flexi rods in. It was so easy. So as you can see, I bent the flexi rod like a horseshoe, and then I took one section and wrapped it under the flexi rod, and then took another section and wrapped it under the flexi rod too, and then I closed the flexi rod by squeezing it together and secured the ends by bending the ends of the flexi rod up, and that just made it so easy. I really only used 8 flexi rod for my entire head. This was the easiest method ever. And I did learn this from another YouTuber, so I am definitely going to make sure I drop her name on the screen. So before applying the flexi rod, I applied the TGIN buttercream and then the Texture ID mousse. Big mistake, and here is why. Really taking this out because honestly my hair feels gross. Like, I feel like I put way too much in because I wanted the color to be vibrant, and now it's just sucky. So I can't go through with it. And I'm highly upset because I definitely wasted my money and my time. But like, the top of my head is so stiff. It's so stiff. Alrighty guys, so it is Valentine's Day, and look at my hair. Look at me. And I have dinner reservations for 5 o'clock. And I'm about to try this again. I am only going to be using the color waxes. Nothing else this time around. Let's see what we get. Honestly, I can't believe that I even tried it again, but I was desperate to have color for Valentine's Day, okay? So this time around, I only use a little bit of the hair wax. Of course, it's not going to be as vibrant, and then I use a little bit of the Texture ID foam. I ran out of the Pinky Swear color, so this time around I am just using the Stay Ready and the color Sangria, and I am applying the color as I go and applying the flexi rod as I go. It was a very quick process because this time I felt like I knew what I was doing, but honestly this product is a no for me, especially when it comes to like curly styles. Maybe it'd be cute on braids or if you're wearing your hair in twists, but for a curly style it's definitely a no, because once again My hair came out stiff and hard, and I was very upset. But my boyfriend said that I should have known this because the product is called colored paint hair wax. Like, wax is in the name, and what does wax do? It hardens. I just never heard of anyone saying that they used this and their hair was as hard as a brick. Like, I didn't sign up for that. So I do have two other colors left. I think it's called Gold Bar, and I have some of the Sangria left. I am going to use those colors, but in a different way, like I said, on braids or twists, just not a curly style. And I'm going to also retry this FLEXI rod with just my natural hair, no color added, because I think the way I applied these FLEXI rods and just use the Texture ID foam, it would come out really nice, curls, soft and bouncy. So that will be another video at a later date. I am going to separate the rest of these curls and give you guys somewhat of a final look. I was extremely unhappy with my hair, but I had to make it do what it do because we still had Valentine's Day reservation. So the quote for today's video is, sometimes things don't work out, not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve so much more. I feel like that was the perfect quote for this video because the hair was definitely a fail, but I learned so much in this process. Alrighty queens, that's it for this video. Make sure your post notifications is turned on, like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and drop in the comments when you had a hair failure and you had to turn lemons into lemonade because you still had somewhere to be. Alrighty queens, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.